Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 must-know travel idioms before you plan your next trip.
Number 1. Catch the travel bug.
It means to suddenly feel a strong desire to travel a lot. Example, after my first trip abroad, I caught the travel bug and wanted to see the world.
Number 2. Off the beaten track.
It means in a place that is quiet, remote, or not popular with many tourists. Example, we found a small village off the beaten track, and it was very peaceful.
Number 3. Travel light.
It means to travel with very little luggage. Example, it's only a weekend trip, so I'll travel light with one small bag. Number 4. Jet lag. It means the tired and confused feeling you have after a long flight to a place with a different time zone. Example, I always suffer from jet lag after flying from the US to Europe.
Number 5. Red-eye flight.
It means a late-night flight that arrives very early in the morning. Example, I took a red-eye flight to New York and was very tired at work. Number 6. Itchy feet. It means a strong feeling that you want to travel or move somewhere new. Example, she gets itchy feet every summer and wants to visit a new country. Number 7. On a shoestring. It means traveling with very little money, on a very small budget. Example, they traveled around Asia on a shoestring and stayed in cheap hostels.
Number 8. Bumpy ride.
It means a journey or experience that is difficult or not smooth. Example, the negotiations were a bumpy ride, but we finally reached a deal. Number 9. Take the scenic route. It means to choose a longer but more beautiful way to get somewhere. Example, let's take the scenic route through the mountains so we can stop and take photos. Number 10. Home away from home. It means a place where you feel as comfortable as you do at home. Example, that little guest house felt like a home away from home. All right, now your travel idiom ready. Take the full quiz posted on the page and subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.